Hey, and welcome to the Revenge of the Show. This is where I went on the road to Oshkosh, Wisconsin, 2023, and here's the first video from the show. This is a P-47D that was just restored by Air Corps Aviation. Now, during World War II, there was 15,636 P-47s built, and this one has the big R-2800. I think it's a 9. I don't know, but it has water injection, and this D model had a turbo supercharger, making the horsepower around 2,300 horsepower at emergency power. So they painted this airplane in the 348th Fighter Group. It was located in Australia and New Guinea. This plane was painted for William Dunham, and he shot down 16 planes in the Pacific Theater. One plane he shot down in a P-51, but all the rest in a P-47. Now, this plane was definitely found in New Guinea. I'll show you a picture there. He could have flown this plane. You never know. His first shoot down was a victory over a Ki-61 Tony, then 2 A6Ms, then an AF-1M, and he became an ace when he shot down a D-3A Val, and then a G4M, and he was in the flight where Neil Kirby was killed. He shot down the Ki-43 that shot down Neil Kirby. They flew around looking for Neil Kirby, but they couldn't find him. They ran out of, or they were running low on fuel, so they had to go home. He became a double ace when he shot down 2 Zeros and an Oscar. When the Oscar went down, the pilot parachuted in the ocean, and Dunham went and tossed a life jacket to him. He kept shooting them down, and then on December 14th, he shot down a Ki-21. Then he started flying the P-51s, and he shot down a Ki-84 Frank, which would be the last of the war. His plane was named after his wife, Bonnie. Now, the engine, I now know, is an R-2800 59. Length of the plane is 36 feet, 1.75 inches. Wingspan, 40 feet, 9.75 inches. Height, 14 feet 7 inches, empty weight 10,000 pounds, gross weight 14,500 pounds, and it had a range of about 475 miles. Service ceiling of 42,000 feet, and the speeds, well, they vary. I mean, 425, I've heard up to almost 500 miles per hour. Check out this guy's Greg's Aviation. He does a whole big thing on the speeds of P-47s. It's a great channel. Check it out. And plus you have the 450 caliber machine guns. That really does the trick. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some information on the P-47. I hope you liked the pictures and the video. Hope like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.